Transferring your files from Google Drive to Microsoft OneDrive might sound complicated, but with the right steps, it's actually a straightforward process. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it without having to download and re-upload everything manually. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to move all your important documents, photos, and files directly between these two cloud services, saving you a ton of time and hassle. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to use a very handy tool provided by Google itself, called Google Takeout. If you've never heard of it, Google Takeout is all about helping you download or transfer your data from Google services in a controlled, flexible way. Think of it as your personal data moving service. Start by heading over to takeout.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the different kinds of data you could potentially export from your Google account, from emails to YouTube videos. For our purposes, we only want to move your Drive files, so your next step is to click Deselect All. This part is important because otherwise you might end up transferring much more than you intended. So go ahead, hit Deselect All and take a breath. Now we can focus on just Google Drive. Scroll down the list until you find Drive. There are a lot of services here, so don't worry if you have to look carefully. Once you spot Drive, check that box to select it. This way you're telling Google, I only want to move my Drive content, nothing else. If you only want certain folders, you can click on the All Drive Data Included button and fine-tune your selection, but if you're looking to move everything, just keep it simple and leave it as is. Next, click on Next Step. This is where things get interesting. Google will now ask you how you want your data delivered. Normally, you might expect to download a big zip file, but because we want to move everything straight into OneDrive, no downloading, no uploading, we're going to make a smart choice here. For delivery method, select Add to OneDrive. What's really cool is that Google and Microsoft have actually worked together on this function, so all the heavy lifting is taken care of in the cloud. At this stage, you'll need to link your Microsoft account. Google will prompt you to sign in, just follow the on-screen steps. Be sure you're signing in with the Microsoft account you want to use with OneDrive. If you're doing this for work or school, double-check that you have access. This might take a few moments as the services talk to each other and verify everything. Don't worry if you need to authorize both accounts or refresh a screen, that's totally normal. Once you've linked your Microsoft account, just click to create the export. And that's it, Google will start transferring all your selected Drive files right into your OneDrive storage. This could take some time, especially if you've got a large amount of data. You'll get a notification when it's all set, so feel free to step away and let the transfer run in the background. And there you have it. A quick, secure way to shift your files from Google Drive to OneDrive without eating up your internet connection or risking lost files in transition. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups along the way, don't hesitate to drop your question in the comments. I check those regularly and I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.